Nestled in the heart of Sri Lanka, the Sinharaja Rainforest is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the island's last remaining primary tropical rainforest. Covering over 11,000 hectares, this breathtaking ecosystem is a true biological treasure trove. Home to an incredible array of flora and fauna, Sinharaja boasts over 60% of its trees as endemic species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The forest is alive with the calls of exotic birds, including the vibrant Sri Lanka blue magpie and the elusive Sri Lanka spurfowl. It is also a haven for rare mammals, such as the purple-faced langur and the Sri Lankan leopard, along with countless amphibians and insects. Sinharaja plays a vital role in regulating the region's climate, acting as a massive carbon sink while protecting watersheds that sustain countless communities. The rainforest receives heavy rainfall throughout the year, creating a misty, mystical atmosphere that enhances its untouched beauty. Visitors can explore Sinharaja through guided treks, immersing themselves in its dense greenery, gushing waterfalls, and hidden wildlife. However, with increasing environmental threats, conservation efforts are crucial to safeguarding this natural wonder for future generations. Sinharaja isn't just a forest, it's a living, breathing masterpiece of nature.